If you plan to do DIY projects or get into construction, you'll need a stick welder. There are different types of stick welders on the market. Selecting the best stick welder among so many models can be difficult. That's where we can help you. You will learn authentic information about the 5 best stick welders in 2023 on the market in this video. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the most effective stick welder available on the market in 2023. We examined the factors that differentiate a stick welder from good to great, such as its features and capabilities. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Number 1, Lotos LTP-DC 2000D 3-in-1 Stick Welder. The Lotos LTP-DC 2000D Arc Plasma TIG welder is one of the most cutting-edge welding devices currently on the market. It is versatile equipment that can switch between stick welding, DC TIG welding, and plasma cutting. The Lotos LTP-DC 2000D is therefore advertised as a 3-in-1 welding machine. This multipurpose welding machine's non-touch pilot arc allows for effective cutting. This equipment is capable of cutting through rust and painted surfaces, among other challenging materials. Its pilot torch generates little lag. The Lotos LTP-DC 2000D's capacity to generate half-inch clean cuts distinguishes it as a very innovative and potent welding machine. This results in a maximum optimum cut thickness of 12-inch and a maximum severance thickness of 34. This welding machine operates on the dual voltage at either 50 or 60 Hz. The Lotos LTP-DC 2000D is highly versatile. It can cut stainless, alloy, mild, aluminum, and copper steel. The Lotos LTP-DC 2000D will be there for you if you're in a hurry. This arc welder can be set up in under a minute and used immediately due to its pre-installed air filter regulator and industry-standard NPT 14-inch D connector. Connecting the air filter regulator to the air compressor is quick and simple. To guarantee optimal performance of the plasma cutter, the company added a PAPST sophisticated cooling system. Number 2, Hobart 500571 Stickmate 210i Stick Welding Machine. This welder's efficient operation and sturdy construction dispel the myth surrounding Chinese-made goods. It is a good option for do-it-yourselfers engaged in metalworking and farm maintenance and repair. It is not the least expensive stick welder available, but it is well worth the price. The welder features a durable, lightweight, and portable design. Less than 20 pounds in weight, it is easy to store and transport. The DC functioning of this welder sets it apart from its competitors. This facilitates its operation by providing easier, quicker, and more dependable starts. The hot start technology utilized by the welder is responsible for all fundamental and stable arc starts. The welder's enhanced arc control will make welding easier and reduce spatter. Due to its DC functioning, you will gain superior outcomes with increased precision. With 160 amps of power, 5/30 seconds mild steel may be welded. It is more effective with thinner metal sheets. The most appealing feature of this welder is its 5-year, 3-year, and 1-year industrial warranty, which covers each component for a set number of years. This is one of the best stick welders for farm use, metal art, restorations, and home improvement projects. Its cost is justified by its versatility and unequaled first-rate features. Number 3, EVERLAST PowerARC 200ST. This robust stick welder was designed with the needs of a true professional in mind. Home users and amateurs alike can use it, as well. The welder features an inverter design, making it portable and lightweight. It has a comfortable carrying strap and a carrying case to facilitate storage and transport. The welder is capable of both TIG and stick welding, which expands your welding options. In fact, the E6010's welding capabilities enable you to work on pipelines, container ships, construction sites, shipyards, and mobile repair projects. To TIG weld effectively with this equipment, you must acquire a gas regulator, a TIG torch, and a gas valve. Its stick component features an auto-adaptive start and auto-adaptive arc force control for a superior arc and weld quality. It offers dual voltage capability. Using the offered adaptive technology, you can safely and easily switch between 120V and 240V. Beginners will enjoy using this welder for the first time because it has a life start feature and comes with all the necessary accessories. Overall, this is a terrific option for anyone seeking a versatile, professional-grade stick welder. It is one of the most valuable inverter stick welders available. Number 4. Forney Easy Weld 298 Arc Welder. Another top stick welder is Forney Easy Weld 298 Arc Welder. It has a 90 amp output and a 120 volt input. It is still ideal for beginners. It will feel completely at home in your garage or farm, and you'll be amazed by its possibilities. This welding machine has a small, portable design. In fact, it weighs less than 10 pounds and is the best portable stick welder on this list. Its exceptionally low weight is a result of the inverter technology that was used in its development. For a variety of domestic tasks as well as other automobile uses, there is sufficient power. Its ability to fuse metals up to 5/16 inches thick and handle electrodes up to 1/8 inches are both commendable qualities. Anyone searching for a stick welder that is portable, simple to use, and produces high-quality results should consider this. It is the best stick welder for beginners because of all of its practical features put together. Number 5. AHP AlphaTIG 200X. The AlphaTIG 200X is the updated version of AHP's initial powerhouse. The 200X now has 200 Hz pulse frequency. This 2018 model also has a better welding torch. The prior welding torch was inferior. The 200X uses cutting-edge welding technology. IGBT and inverter technologies are included. PWM works well with the inverter power source. This welding equipment uses 220V or 110V single-phase switching power supplies. The AHP AlphaTIG 200X is TIG and stick weldable. DC or AC output mode depends on the work. This welding machine's start, end, and pre/post flow control are also programmable. The remote also switches between 2T and 4T sequencer modes. Its 2T mode requires the torch switch cable or foot pedal. In this mode, push and hold the switch. Beginners prefer this mode. For skilled welders, 4T mode gives 4 cycles. The AHP AlphaTIG 200X can weld diverse metals, a major benefit. This machine welds aluminum, mild and stainless steel, iron, copper, and more. Welding metal thicknesses range from 0.040 to 3/8 inches. AHP AlphaTIG 200X has a 3-year warranty.